Hello friends, in this video we are going to compare iQOO 9 5G versus Realme GT Neo 3T 5G in full detailing. We also given details about other important competitor phone at same price segment in the end, so let's compare. Now let's talk about the highlight of both the phones, then we are going to deep comparison. First we talk about the most important part of phone hardware. Here is the detail about most important part CPU. Talking about GPU then, Adreno 660 is available in iQOO 9 5G and Adreno 650 is available in GT Neo 3T 5G. If we talk about chipset then, Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus is available in iQOO 9 5G and Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 is available in GT Neo 3T 5G. Talking about RAM then, iQOO 9 5G have two options are available, in which have 8GB 12GB RAM, and GT Neo 3T 5G have two options, which have 6GB 8GB RAM. Both phone have a two storage options are available, and have similar 128GB 256GB storage. Both the phone doesn't have expandable memory. In both phone have same Android V12 operating system. Here is the complete details about battery. Let's see the information about display. Both phone have a same AMOLED display. Display size iQOO 9 5G have 6.56 inches and GT Neo 3T 5G have 6.62 inches. Aspect ratio same in both phone, and it's 20:9. Display resolution in iQOO 9 5G 1080 by 2376 and in GT Neo 3T 5G there will be 1080 by 2400 we can see. Screen to body ratio, iQOO 9 5G have 86.95% while GT Neo 3T 5G it will be 85.69%. Both phone have 120Hz refresh rate. If we talk about PPI density, then both the phones are same. 398 pixels per inch we get to see. Let's talk about brightness then in iQOO 9 5G it's 1200 nits and in GT Neo 3T 5G it's 1300 nits. Here is the complete detail of body of both phones. Let's see the detail about our favorite features camera. Friends, first of all talk about rear camera, then we can see three camera in iQOO 9 5G which is primary camera, ultra wide angle camera and GT Neo 3T 5G also have a 3 camera, which is primary camera, wide angle camera and finally macro camera. If we talk about video camera, then in both the phones, 8 different types of features are available. Now let's talk about the front selfie camera, then in both the phones have single camera can be seen which have 4 different features are available. Now, we check the detail about dimensions. Talking about the length of both the phones, iQOO 9 5G have 6.26 inch and in GT Neo 3T 5G it's 6.41 inch. Width, in iQOO 9 5G have 2.96 inch and GT Neo 3T 5G it's 2.98 inch. If we talk about thickness then both phone have same 0.34 inch thickness. Now let's talk about weight then. iQOO 9 5G it's 200 grams and GT Neo 3T 5G it has 194.5 grams. Let's see the secondary features of both phones. Talking about colors option then, iQOO 9 5G have 2 colors and GT Neo 3T 5G have 4 colors options available. Here is the detail about network, Bluetooth, GPS and Wi-Fi. Friends, now let's talk about pros and cons then. iQOO 9 5G have 7 pros and 3 cons, and if we talk about Realme GT Neo 3T 5G then we can see 7 pros and 1 cons. Both phone have a same 2 variant. iQOO 9 5G is an 8GB RAM 128GB storage at 42,990 rupees, 12GB RAM 256GB storage at 46,990 rupees, and if we talk about GT Neo 3T 5G is in 6GB RAM 128GB storage at 27,999 rupees, 8GB RAM 256GB storage at 29,999 rupees available. Finally, talking about result then. In performance both phone are same. In display both phone are same. In main camera Neo 3T 5G it's ahead. In front, selfie camera both phone are same. Friends, now if we talk about the other competitor at same price. First one is Realme GT2 Pro 5G, second is Vivo versus 23 Pro 5G, third one is Samsung Galaxy M53 5G, and the last one is Vivo versus 25 5G. Also, details about all this competitor phone is available in description. If you like our video then please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.